Hello guys, welcome to Tech Learners. In our last tutorial, we have created Linux server in Oracle Cloud. Also, we used a PuTTY SSH client to connect the Linux instance we have created. New Oracle Linux instance doesn't have a graphical user interface. We have only command line interface to connect the server. In this video, we will see how to install graphical user interface in our Linux instance. First, we need to connect the Linux instance through PuTTY client. We did this in our previous video. So let's connect the server using PuTTY. Now it's connected. Username is OPC. Enter the passphrase. As you know already, this is the same passphrase which we used in PuTTY key generator while creating private public keys. Now authentication is successful. Now let's install GUI interface in Linux instance. So let's do this. We use sudo m install command to install any software in Linux. Enter the command sudo m groups install server with GUI. All the required packages will be installed. It might take some time. I have paused the video until installation is completed. Now installation is completed. For me it took almost 20 minutes. Now we need another software, TightVNC Server, which will be used to connect the Linux GUI instance remotely. Command is sudo m install TightVNC Server. Installation will be pretty much quick. Now Vnc Server installation is completed. We need to start the Vnc Server. Just type Vnc Server to start. Since we are starting Vnc Server for the first time, we need to set the password. I'm gonna use the same passphrase which we used while creating public-private keys. But this can be anything. This is not a view-only password, so give no. Now we are done with all setup in Linux instance. We also need TightVNC client in our PC to connect to this cloud Linux Vnc server. In our next video, we will see how to connect this Vnc server using Vnc client from our PC. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.